Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a challenge lock made by PickME 1977, and it's the last of the series of challenge locks he sent to me. So PickME 1977, thank you very much for your interesting locks. I really enjoyed picking them, and yeah, let's see how this one picks. I have picked it before a couple of times because I just wanted to pick something interesting, and so it's not a blind pick at all. It's just a repetition of the picking that I already did. I show you the key. It's a 6-pin lock. You can better see the number of stacks when you look at the cutouts from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Pretty good bitting. Lock works, no problem. There's a little hanger sometime, but you need to push it down, push it inwards, and then it turns without problems. And you have to hold the plug when you want to get the key out again. So to pick this the right way, upside down from European standards, I have made myself a little holder. It's made from soft wood and just a cutout, and I glued anti-sliding plastic sheets and on the inside, and these don't know the word, furniture protection things, so I can nicely clamp it in a vise like so, and the core and the plug is not affected by the clamping. Alright, so let's clamp it in a vise, and let's see how it picks, and let's see what magic pins PickME has put in this lock. Alright, adjust the lighting a little bit, like so. I apply tension from the opposite side of the pins and use this jam from Peterson. So medium tension. One gave me a click and a little turn on the core, moving my way to the back, feel resistance and click and turn on the core. And now the good feedback has stopped, and I had to search for the first pin that gives some kind of feedback. Lighten up the tension. And I poke around, and here I get feedback from, I guess it's 3. Felt like a tiny spool or a big serration. Maybe something from 1. Yep, got it. Something from, I guess that's 4. I think I got it. The core turned back. No? There's something more. Okay, got it this time. I bet there are a lot of serrations in here. Again, feedback. Nice feedback. As I said, this is really, and it's open. This is really a fun lock to pick. The first time maybe took me 30 minutes, and why it didn't open so fast was that I used a thinner pick, and I wanted to make it a very nice and fine picking, but it's better with a stronger pick and more force on the pins. Alright, so it's picked, and these locks are very nice to gut because you only have to depress this little pin and Don't have to mess around with the I lock it back up. Don't have to mess around with the clip. Oh, this is tight. So we will fast forward this unscrewing. Wow. Now it's out. All right. There's the pin and the spring. Move this out of the way. Let me zoom out a little bit. So here's the pinning tray. And I have a key. He already marked the other position or the other side. So that's the side where this end part belongs to. So when I reassemble it, I know the right direction. And the follower pins are looking upwards. Hope for the best. Yep. Very nice. All 6 pins are in and moving. So let's dump them out. Okay, get my tweezers. 1 is standard, 2 is some serrations on it, 3 as well, 4 has a small deep serration, 5 another serration, and 6 is standard. So let me zoom in, you can see the key pins. Alright. Then let's move on to the drivers. Oops, one is a nice spool with asymmetric spool with a thicker end towards the springs and a sharp end towards the shear line. This is double serrated. Again, this asymmetric spool type, another asymmetric spool, another asymmetric spool, and come out, and another serrated. Alright, so when we look at in the Bible, so I'd say nothing modified. All springs look like of the same kind. Nothing special here. So let's look at the plug. All chambers are smooth. Hey, nothing threaded. Very interesting. I assumed there are at least some chambers threaded, but not the case. Then we have a closer look to the pins. Very nice looking pins. Love these asymmetric spools with a very sharp end here. And also these double serrated. This one is, no, they're actually the same. So with a reduced diameter towards the shear line. Gives kind of a T-pin effect. Very nice. As I said, really nicely done. Great fun to pick. So PickME 1977. Thank you very much for this lock and for all the other locks you sent along my way. I really enjoyed picking them. I really appreciate that you sent them to me. Yeah, thank you very much for watching to all of you, and yeah, happy picking, and bye bye.